Nifty Pharma index cracked more than 2% in the morning trade on Monday as US President Donald Trump indicated his plans to cut drug prices in the US by 30 to 80%. Trump on Sunday said that he plans signing an executive order on Monday morning, which, as per news reports, would lead to a cut in prescription drugs and pharmaceutical prices by 30 to 80%. In a post on Truth Social, Trump said the order, set for signing on Monday morning, will implement a most favored nation pricing policy, ensuring Americans pay no more than the lowest price charged in any other high-income country. Trump wrote that for many years, the world has wondered why Americans pay 5 to 10 times more for the same drugs made in the same factories by the same companies. He blamed pharmaceutical companies and lobbying efforts for the disparity, calling it embarrassing and unfair to US citizens. As per Reuters, the US currently pays the highest drug prices in the world, nearly triple those in other developed nations. This is not the first time President Donald Trump has tried to tie drug prices to what other countries pay. During Trump's first term, a court blocked a proposed international reference pricing program. That proposal, 5 years ago, was projected by his administration to save taxpayers more than $85 billion over 7 years, cutting into US annual spending of more than $400 billion on drugs. The cut in prescription drug prices would have an immediate impact on Indian pharmaceutical companies selling drugs in the world's largest pharmaceutical market, the US. Indian companies have large exposure to the US markets. Nifty Pharma index opened at 20,949 on Monday and slipped lower to hit an intraday low of 20,576, resulting in a 2% decline compared to Friday's closing price of 21,072 rupees. Sun Pharma led the fall, with its share price declining more than 5% in the morning. Others such as Biocon, Aurobindo Pharma, Lupin, and Divi's Lab were prominent losers, with their share price declining more than 2%. These companies, along with Zydus Life Sciences, Cipla, and a few others, have significant exposure to the US markets, which contributes a large part to their earnings. Sun Pharma Industries led the fall as its share price crashed more than 5% during the morning trade on Monday, and that's because Sun Pharma has launched a large portfolio of specialty drugs and is targeting growth through the prescription drugs market. Products like Odomzo for basal cell carcinoma, Cequa for dry eye illness, Ilumya for psoriasis are all part of Sun Pharma's specialized portfolio. They also sell Vilnevi and Absorbia LD for acne. They also offer Levulan, which is keratosis of the face and scalp. At the closing time, most pharma stocks made a recovery. The index closed 28 points above Friday's close. However, Sun Pharma closed the day more than 3% down.